In this video, you'll learn how to add a website to Cloudflare. This process involves several steps that will guide you through setting up your site with Cloudflare services. By the end of this tutorial, you will have successfully integrated your website into the Cloudflare platform. Start by navigating to the Cloudflare dashboard, open your preferred web browser, and once the page loads, you may be prompted to sign in if you are not already logged in. Use your account credentials to access your account home. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you are in the correct account where you want to add the website. After signing in, locate the account home section, which is typically displayed prominently on the dashboard. Click on this option to proceed. This action will take you to a screen that provides an overview of your account and any websites currently managed under it. You should see options to manage settings and add new sites. Next, find and click on the highlighted area that indicates the option to add a new website. This will bring you to a form where you can input your website's information. Ensure that you have your website URL, as you will need to enter it in the appropriate field. After entering your URL, confirm that it is correct before proceeding. Once you've entered the website URL, look for the option labeled Select a Template. Clicking this will allow you to choose from various configurations that Cloudflare offers. You will be directed to a new page showcasing the available templates, making it easier to find the one that suits your needs. After that, select Browse All Templates. This option will present you with a comprehensive list of templates available for your website. Take your time to review the options and select the template that best fits your website's requirements. Now click on the Durable Chat App template. This specific template is designed to help you set up a chat application for your website. After clicking, you will be taken to a page with more details about the template and its functionalities. Next, find and click the button that says Deployment Cloudflare. This step initiates the deployment process, allowing Cloudflare to begin integrating the selected template with your website. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the deployment is in progress. Once the deployment starts, click on Create and Deploy. This action will finalize the setup of the Durable Chat app with your website. Keep an eye on any loading indicators or progress bars that appear, as they will inform you of the deployment status. After the deployment is complete, you may see a message that indicates the environment is being initialized. Click on the message that says Initializing Build Environment. This step is crucial as it prepares the necessary environment for your chat application to function correctly on your site. Continue by clicking on the option labeled Continue to Project. This will take you to the project dashboard where you can manage your newly added website and its settings. Make sure to explore the options available to customize your setup further. If you wish to try adding a website to Cloudflare yourself, check the link provided in the description and pin comment below this video. This will lead you to the relevant resources and guides to assist you in the process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.